Hey folks, I want to show you this product sent to me by R&T. The box says Global Leader in Water Saving Technology. Now this is the valve that goes in the back of your toilet, and it's universal, fits most toilets. So what I'm going to do is I don't expect there to be a big surprise in here. There's the box, there's the valve, and okay, there you go. There's your tube. There's your settings and your standard plastic nut for mounting. So I'm going to put this in my toilet and see how it works for me. I don't know how I'll be able to tell if it saves water or not. We're going to test it and see. It comes with instructions in case you're not familiar with how to install these. So again, R&T sent this to me. I'm going to review it. Right now, looks pretty standard to me. Actually, it looks pretty fancy. Got a lot of different things on there. An easy valve cap removal. It's got adjustable float here, easy head height adjustments here. So again, I think it's going to work for me. Got a quick lock nut right here. So again, let's give this thing a try. I think if it works well for me, it'll work well for y'all. Let's go see. Okay, here it is installed, and it should only take about 15 minutes. And it make it complicated, but make sure you look at this piece right here on the top and the bottom so that you understand how it locks in place, so that you can set your proper fill line. It's really very simple, but you need to take time and notice it. All right, there you go. If you're looking for a valve, RT, check this one out right here. I believe it'll work for you.